gallery open till 10 for you and your friends. You know how I spend in H-O-U-S-T-O-N. I get too crazy, had a little bad enough. We stay good friends, we get too crazy. All I know is that when it's cup ends, the next one begins. My babe, you know me, and you knew me back then. And you know how it goes when I see you again. You know I'm making my way to your ends, and you know I need you to be there.
Get to know if it could be the kind of girl that you took it down for. 'Cause when I look at you, I feel something tell me.
Hi my loves, and welcome back to my channel. So as y'all can tell by the title, we will be working with ILikeHair once again. So thank you to ILikeHair for sponsoring today's video. They sent me over their 13x4 kinky edges realistic hairline curly wig, and this wig is in 22 inches. The most important thing about this wig is their hairline. Like, can we just take a moment to look at these realistic edges, y'all? Like, I am so in love. At first I was a little skeptical because I didn't know how it was gonna look with like the loose curly hair texture in the back, but it actually looked really good, y'all. Like, so realistic. If you guys would like to see the final look of this hair and how everything came out, just stay tuned and keep watching, and all information will be in my description box down below. Hi my loves, and welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, my name is Alana. I would love for you to hit the subscribe button so you guys can see more videos from me. If you're returning, welcome back to my channel. Today we will be working with ILikeHair, so thank you to ILikeHair for sponsoring today's video. We're going to be installing this wig, and I'm super excited to be installing this wig. And I know I say that in like all of my wig videos. This wig is not like your average lace frontal wig. So first of all, you guys already seen the unboxing of this wig, and you guys seen up close how realistic these edges look. I'm not doing no baby hairs because I want this wig to get very much natural. Like, I want this wig to look like it's literally growing out of my scalp. I did bleach the knots. Oh, that's my lace, y'all. That's my lace. I did bleach the knots on this wig, and I did not pluck this wig. Now, I'm not too sure if I should pluck it because I really feel like if I do pluck it, I'm gonna mess up like the hairline. And like I said, I want this hairline to give a very much natural as much as I can. Makeup on the lace as well, so that's why it may look a little more brown, but I feel like the makeup really helped it give it that real natural look. At first I was gonna do just like a flip over method and like call it a day, but I don't know, I might do a middle part action. I don't know, y'all. We gonna see. Just cut this lace off because it's kind of like getting in the way. And I am going to be using my Ghost Blonde glue to install this wig in today's video. So this is going to be a glue install, not glueless install. The wig is like a loose curly texture, but like at the same time the edges are just, I don't know. I think this is going to look really good, so I'm so excited for this wig, y'all. I'm trying to cut this lace as like carefully as possible because I don't want to cut all the hair on the front curly edges because that's what's gonna make the wig. So I'm trying to do this like real carefully. I was watching another girl's install with one of her wigs, and she like blow dried the edges. I don't think I'm gonna do that. I don't know. I don't think I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna end up wetting the rest of the hair anyway, so I don't want to go and like. Do you guys see this? Like, I didn't even glue this down. Like, that is incredible. Like, wigs are really like just like transforming. Like, this is so crazy to me. It looks so good. It looks so realistic. Now I'm going to go in with my Ghost Bond glue. Like I said, I will be using glue for this install. Using my Ghost Bond glue with my popsicle stick. I feel like I haven't used this glue in so long because I've been doing so many like glueless looks. I'm about to use it today. So actually, before I use the Ghost Bond glue, I use some of this witch hazel. I might do like 2 layers of glue. I feel like I'm gonna leave this wig on for like a while. I'll do 1 layer first. Alright, so this first layer is about dry, so we're gonna go in with layer number 2. And I'm gonna try not to put this wig like too low on my forehead, because sometimes I'll be doing that and be looking a little weird. I've been looking back at my videos, I'm like, why did I put that so close?
You won't break my soul. You won't break my soul. I tell everybody, nah, nah, everybody, everybody, everybody. I'ma do my hair, 'cause I lost my mind. B is back and I'm sleeping real good at night. Queens in the front and the doms in the back. Ain't taking no flicks, but the whole click snap. There's a whole lot of people in the house trying to smoke with the yak in your mouth. And we back outside. You said you outside, but you ain't that outside. Worldwide hoodie with the mask outside. In case you forgot how we act outside. Motivation. I done found me a new foundation, yeah. Taking my new salvation. I'ma build my own foundation, yeah. Oh, baby, baby, you won't break my soul. 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 I tell everybody, we go round in circles, searching for love. We go up and down, lost and found, searching for love. Looking for something that lives inside me. Looking for something that lives inside me. You won't break my soul. You won't break my soul. You won't break my
I'm
soul.
gonna start getting into this curls, like defining the curls and all that good stuff. So I'm just gonna use my water in my spray bottle. I'm gonna be using my Lotta Body foaming mousse, and I'm going to be using my Cantu, what's this called? Fine and Shine Custard for getting these curls to get like popping. And I think I'm gonna go ahead and also use my diffuser, because I kind of want like the big fluffy look. I don't necessarily like want the wet look, if that makes any sense. Let's get started. And also I have my Demon brush. I got this from Amazon like a long time ago. Brush, kind of just like brushing the hair through, all that good stuff.
I'm looking for a new foundation, yeah. And I'm on that new vibration. I'm building my own foundation, yeah. Hold up, oh baby, baby, you won't break my soul. 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 I tell everybody, nah, nah, everybody, everybody, everybody. I'ma do my hair, 'cause I lost my mind. B is back and I'm sleeping real good at night. Queens in the front and the doms in the back. Ain't taking no flicks, but the whole click snap. There's a whole lot of people in the house trying to smoke with the yak in your mouth. And we back outside. You said you outside, but you ain't that outside. Worldwide hoodie with the mask outside. In case you forgot how we act outside. Motivation. I done found me a new foundation, yeah. Taking my new salvation. I'ma build my own foundation, yeah. Oh baby, baby, you won't break my soul. 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 I tell everybody.
searching for